Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to create digital signature using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to browser. Then on the search bar, type createmysignature.com. Then tap enter. So in this site, you can draw your signature for free or sign your PDF document. So for this one, I will just choose draw signature. I will click this one. So for example, this is my signature. Then I will just click save. Then right here, download your signature here. I will just click download. Then create a file name for your signature or save as. You can select all files, all PNG image. Then click save. So as you can see, my signature is downloaded. And that's how to create digital signature. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!